There are four major mortgage types: VA, USDA, FHA, and conventional. If you have or are currently serving in the military, thank you for your service. VA mortgages do not require a down payment, and there is no mortgage insurance. That doesn't mean you won't have any money out of pocket to purchase a home, however. All mortgages have some closing costs, but we'll talk more about that later. USDA is 100% financing just like the VA loan. However, only homes located in rural areas qualify for this type of mortgage, and it's open to everyone. Again, just because there isn't a down payment requirement doesn't mean that there aren't any costs associated with purchasing a home using the USDA program. Now, let's say that for one reason or the other, the home you fall in love with doesn't qualify for USDA. Then you could look to use either an FHA or a conventional type mortgage. FHA mortgages have a 3.5% minimum down payment requirement and are typically used for first-time homebuyers. For conventional mortgages, the minimum down payment can be as low as 3% for first-time homebuyers, but typically require a higher credit score to qualify through underwriting. Great. Now, what does that mean? FHA has a 3.5% down payment, or $3,500 on a $100,000 home, $7,000 on a $200,000 home. Then there are closing costs. Typically, on any given home in Ohio, closing costs can be somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000. They include, but are not limited to, property taxes, homeowners insurance, title fees, recording fees with the county, etc. This means that without the help of a grant, you could have $10,000 to $12,000 out of your own pocket to purchase a $200,000 home, maybe even more. This is where these down payment assistance grants can really help. These programs give a benefit of up to 5% of the loan amount. Now let's see if we can make sense of all these numbers. $200,000 purchase price with 3.5% down equals a loan amount of $193,000. 5% of $193,000 is $9,650 that can be used to cover down payment, closing costs, or a combination of the two. The goal is to bring your out-of-pocket costs down so you have funds available for the move and anything else life might have in store. There are a number of other requirements that you need to know when trying to qualify for these grant programs. The best way to get started is to fill the form out below, and we will have someone reach out to you right away to answer any other questions that you may have.